Awesome, you have finished your Schoology Scavenger Hunt. Now it's time to turn it into Schoology. And we're going to turn it into a discussion this week. So let's do a couple of things first. If you notice that in the top right-hand corner is a share button, when I click on it, it says it's private only to me. So if I'm a student and it's private only to me and I share the link to that, then me, Michelle, as the instructor, I won't be able to open it. So I'm going to have you click on that link, and for any assignments you turn in, I'm going to have you change the link. So in the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to click on Change the Link. Now, I've asked you to use your CSU Google accounts for this class. However, I know that sometimes it'll default to your personal accounts if you have one. So therefore, just to make things easy, I'm always going to have you select anyone with the link can access this document. You have three ways that people can access it. They can be just a viewer, or if you're turning it into me, I want you to select commenter so that I or your colleagues can add comments to that. Or if you're sharing it with a colleague and you're working on a collaborative project, you want them to be able to edit it. So then you would select editor. But for this assignment, you want to make sure that anyone with the link can access it and add comments. Before you leave this window, you're going to want to copy that link, and then you can hit the Done link. All right, we're going to go back into Schoology, and you're going to scroll down because I'm going to have you submit a link to this document in Schoology, in the discussion here. So you're going to click in the discussion field, and then notice you have lots of options. One of those is to insert content, and we're going to insert a link. And you can then paste that link that you shared, and in the title, you would just add text that represents what you want it to say. So I'm going to say, Michelle's Schoology Scavenger Hunt demo, and then I will insert that link and click post. And so here, if I click on that link, it takes me to the document, and you'll notice when I click on the share options, it is set, if I can get it to open, so that anyone with the link can add comments. Let's just make sure it is set to comment. Yes, it is. All right, so we're in good shape. So that's what I want you to do. And once you have that link to your Schoology Scavenger Hunt in the discussion, you are good to go with this assignment.